squash pudding. This is an oppo squash, or we call it a Lauki in Hindi or in India. But in every state in India, they have a different name for the oppo squash. But where I come from, we call it a Lauki. And this is from my friend's garden, and it's really fresh and really long. So I thought I can just use it to make a pudding and share with everybody. So to make the pudding, it's very simple. We need only a few ingredients. We need some cardamoms, some rice flour, some sugar, and some dry. So first step is to peel the oppo squash and cut it into small pieces, and I will blend it in a blender. To start cutting the oppo squash, let's just cut this in the middle first because it's too long, and it's really nice in the middle, you can see that. And we will just cut the edges, these things out, and the front part out. Next step is to slice this peeled oppo squash. So I'm going to cut it in between like this. And you can see there are some seeds, and these seeds are really big. So we need to really take the seeds out because sometimes the seeds are a little bitter. The top part of the oppo squash doesn't have any seeds, so we can just leave this one as is and start dicing. So now I'm going to blend this Lauki and or oppo squash, and then after blending we will steam it. So I have a heated pan here, and I'm going to pour my blended oppo squash in it. Give this a nice stir and steam it for some time until the oppo squash is cooked. And it's very fast. It doesn't take much long to steam the oppo squash, especially if it's blended like this. Now I'm going to cover it and steam for a few minutes. It's been a few minutes, and Lauki or oppo squash has been cooking a little bit, steaming a little bit. So at this point, I'm going to add some rice flour, and this is half cup of rice flour. So I'm going to mix a little bit and stir a little bit. Another 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been a few minutes, and let's check on our oppo squash pudding or Lauki pudding. You can see it's been cooking for some time, and I feel that it's sticking a little bit at the bottom because of the rice has started to cook. So at this point, I'm going to add around half cup of water, and I'll give it a good stir here. And I will start cooking again for another 5 minutes. going to add some milk powder at this point. Avoid the splattering at times. You need to just put some cold water so it stops cooking a little bit and stops splattering everywhere, and then start giving a stir. Now milk is almost dissolved in the pudding, and you can see few lumps here and there, and that's kind of going to dissolve over the time. And at this point, I'm going to add some sugar and turn off the heat. It's a little bit cooler, the splashing has stopped, and sugar is pretty much nicely stirred. I'm going to add cardamom powder, which I grounded really nicely in the blender this time, and I want to just stir the cardamom in this. After stirring the cardamom, I'm going to cover it and leave it on the counter until it gets cooler, and then I'm going to garnish it with some almonds. All the cardamom is dissolved in this, and you can catch a lot of flavor. At this point, if you want to add lots of nuts, you can do that too. But I'm just going to use nuts for the garnishing because the Lauki or Oppo squash flavor itself is so good. So I like only few nuts in this, not much, and that I only put when I'm garnishing on it. So I'm going to let it cool on my stove, and then we will serve after it's a little cool. So pudding is cooled down now, and I'm going to fill in these cups and put it in the refrigerator. Once I have pudding in all the cups, I'm going to garnish with some dates and almonds. Squash pudding is ready to be served. You can serve like this at the room temperature, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for a couple hours and then serve it. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.